Hi there, I'm Denise, and today we are looking at first impressions. What is a first impression? So, first things first, a first impression is when you meet somebody for the first time. So, in this section, we are going to look at quick tips and tricks for making a lasting impression. So, your appearance matters, which means what attire are you wearing, how are you carrying yourself, and what is your facial expression while you are speaking to people. Appearance matters. Dress a little nicer than you need to win meeting new people. Number two, in a first conversation, use the other person's name from time to time. Firstly, this will help you to remember their name, and secondly, it makes the other person feel important while you are speaking to them. For example, Katsuo, you seen that new movie yet? Or that sounds like a good idea, Andrea. Number three, good listening skills are the key to making a great first impression. Why is this important? Well, if you are listening to someone, it means that they feel important and it feels to them like what they are saying is important to you as well, not just to them. So if you are listening, it means that you can ask relevant questions and take part in their topic of conversation. Number four, what should you do to make a positive first impression to show the other person that he or she is the center of the conversation to you? So, this is like we said in number two and number three. You have to have good listening skills so that you can form this impression, so that the person can feel like they are the focus of all your attention. There is a saying of be present during a conversation. This means that you are gifting the other person with your time and your focus. Number five, humor can be tricky. A little joke can be a nice way to break the ice, but what you should avoid is sarcasm. Sarcasm is when you say something but mean the opposite or something different to what your words are saying. So, humor is a very sensitive topic because not everyone has the same sense of humor as you might have. Therefore, if you feel that something might be funny, it is not always that the other person will find it funny as well. Thank you for your time. I really hope this helped you. Have a nice day.